We'd like to hear from you.
Coach kay, I'm grateful kay ko, Coach kay maski zero knowledge ko sa WordPress. But then challenging kaayo, Coach, kay kanang nahuman na ako, like kaganina.
Yay, congrats.
Very nice lang, Coach, kay ang inyuhang, ang inyong recording manggod, Coach, kay compare sa among naagihan po nako na training course is dili man siya lifetime access. So,
Mm.
pricey siya, but then compare ani is kanang worth it kayo siya.
Yay,
And then,
salamat.
ang learning, ang nakanindot po niya, Coach, kay kanang live manggod ang ansa. Do na ay recording, but ang is live, and then, ignami mga questions is kanang dali lang mo maka-reply. So, mo po to siya, mo po na akong ganahan, and then, ma-hire na, just in case ma-hired me, so kanang, at least nagyapon may opportunity na kanang mo get in touch mo, reach out sa inyo to
Mm.
ask questions. As newbie good coach, as in zero knowledge
Ah,
good ko coach. Looking forward, coach, and praying na kanang
yes.
magka-client and then
Mm.
maka-connect hapon ko sa inyo ha.
Sure,
So thank
no?
you kayo, coach.
Thank you kay I really appreciate your words.